from shulwanabangaliana.com. So Mumtaz, tell us something about your character in this movie and particularly related with why Mumtaz for this kind of a role again.
Later, best answer, you should actually question the director.
I have.
Why Mumtaz? But then I guess it's because this whole character, she's an officer, IPS officer, and she's handling this scene, and she's fighting a case over here. She's investigating, and she's trying to crack down the fact that these people are murdered and who murdered them. And there's a lot of action happening. She's catching some goons and full on
Tough lady.
kicking their ass and doing all that. Yeah. So I guess that kind of a character goes with me very very easily because I am a person like that. Not that I'm kicking people's asses all the time. I don't mind doing that. But then no, jokes apart. I am a very strong kind of a person. Mentally, physically, in every way possible. So yeah, this comes very naturally to me. It's very automatic. Like when you think of a character like this, the first person anyone would think of is Mumtaz. So I guess that is why it was like a direct thing that something like this has to be, Mumtaz has to be a fit over here. And other than that, it is a very strong and a very confident kind of a character. The girl, obviously, she's an officer and she is heading a branch and she's dominating everybody. Everybody gets intimidated by her. She has this authority, and she looks like that no-nonsense girl.
You enjoy doing those authoritative roles?
Full on. It gives me a different kind of a high. So yeah, I'm really loving doing it.
And tell us something about your costumes, your attire in this
Oh,
movie.
you can see this. Actually, there was this kind of mishap kind of a thing that happened. We were supposed to shoot in Mirik,
Yeah.
and Mirik is a cold place.
Cold place.
So this jacket and all the woolens and
Yeah.
everything, but then because of the problem that's happening up there and everything, so we had to relocate. And now we're not doing it in Mirik
Cold
anymore.
place, yeah.
But the costumes still remain the same because it was like the last moment, decision. So yeah, I'm having to shoot here in Kolkata in this lovely cold, yummy weather, wearing something like this. And so even if I'm like sweating and I'm melting all over actually, but then I'm having to keep this attitude on that it's pretty cold and I'm enjoying this and it's hot. Really? Oh, okay. Get the fight started. I just might feel a bit hot then.
Okay, and Mumtaz's style statement for Pujo.
Mumtaz's style statement for Pujo, I think you just be yourself. You just, I think Pujo time is the time when you need to be colorful. Our culture is such very colorful. So traditional wear, obviously. Other than that, let it be colorful. And I think every age has a different kind of a look, and just maintain that. Very elderly people should not, try and sport something.
Overdress.
Yeah, they shouldn't overdress, or they shouldn't try and sport something maybe a 20-year-old girl would wear or a boy would wear. So yeah, dress according to your age and everything. You should balance that out. But then that doesn't mean that you wouldn't experiment, but with style.
With style. Thank you so much for being with us, Mumtaz.